Ian, I invested $22,000 on PNTP network because of you. I hope it moons. Do you think this can reach $5? Oh man, hold up, son. Alpha Diallo, I mean, first of all, you should always be doing your own research. And then every investment is your investment. It's not my investment, it's your investment, right? You bought the investment, right? So you should say you invested in PNT because of your own research, not because of me, right? Because if I go jump off a cliff, are you going to follow me too? Right? So just because I do something does not mean you should just blindly follow it, right? And then second of all, 22,000 is way too much money, honestly, right? Because there's no liquidity. I mean, following the liquidity ratio, because I mentioned this earlier in the show and also on several shows that let's pull up PNT network here, right? You don't want to be putting or owning more than 10% of the daily trading volume, right? Because it makes it tough to sell or even buy. So here I'm pulling up P network. My computer's going kind of slow. Okay, so there is trading volume. Okay, but it depends on what market you're on. If you're in the US, it's basically tough to get in and out of this. That's why it's very risky, because Uniswap trading volume is 160,000, right? So that means 10% of that is $16,000. So I would say 8 to 16,000 would be the ideal amount. Now, you definitely have a lot more than me. But if you are on Binance, then I think you'll be good, right? But anyway, you always want to be cognizant of that when buying anything, right? Look at the daily trading volume and never buy more than 5 to 10%. It depends on the exchange it's on as well, right? Because if you, let's say 10% of this, right? Basically it's 3 million. So if you had 300 grand and you're trying to sell, right? You want to have a tight spread, right? When buying and selling, look at the spread here and try to see the markets, right? Like this has no liquidity at all.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com. Disclaimer: Token Metrics Media LLC does not provide individually tailored investment advice and does not take a subscriber's or anyone's personal circumstance into consideration when discussing investments, nor is it registered as an investment advisor or broker-dealer in any jurisdiction. Information contained herein is not an offer or solicitation to buy, hold, or sell any security. The Token Metrics team has advised and invested in many blockchain companies. A complete list of their advisory roles and current holdings can be viewed here at tokenmetrics.com/disclosures.